Welcome back, wonderful viewers. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, we are exploring how raw potatoes are transformed into those perfectly stacked, uniformly curved chips you see in modern mega factories. Have you ever wondered how thousands of potatoes are processed step by step into the iconic snacks we all know and love? Before we dive into the fascinating machinery, drop a comment below and tell me, what time is it where you are watching this video right now? The journey begins right here, in these vast agricultural fields. Millions of raw potatoes are cultivated using high-tech irrigation systems and automated drones to monitor crop conditions. Potatoes are one of the most widely consumed crops globally and are highly popular in culinary applications all over the world. Here, only the best 3-inch yellow potatoes are selected for production. I find it amazing how much precision goes into just growing the primary ingredient. Once mature, massive industrial harvesters dig through the soil, pulling up tons of fresh potatoes. Transport trucks are rapidly loaded and sent directly to the modern facility. Witnessing these massive trucks dump their golden cargo into deep stainless steel hoppers is quite an impressive sight. The sheer volume of crops processed daily in these facilities is staggering, easily reaching hundreds of tons per shift. Inside the factory, cleanliness is the top priority. The raw potatoes travel through rapid water flumes into huge rotating cylindrical drums. Here, turbulent water and high-pressure jets aggressively wash away all the field dirt. They then pass over rapid spinning nylon brushes and powerful air knives. This exact process is widely known to be the most efficient way to leave each potato perfectly clean and dry without bruising the skin. Now comes the critical quality control phase. The clean potatoes pass under high-speed optical scanners equipped with blue and red lasers. These advanced cameras can spot a visual defect in a matter of milliseconds. If a potato has a blemish or green spot, a swift puff of compressed air instantly shoots it off the line into a reject bin. This automated precision ensures only the most flawless potatoes move forward. The approved potatoes enter heavy abrasive rollers that rub off the skin in seconds. Next, rapid mechanical blades slice them into thick chunks before they drop into a massive steam cooker. The hot, soft potato chunks are crushed into a thick paste and then spread onto heated drums. The intense heat instantly dries the paste, shattering it into fine golden potato flakes. This creates the perfect, consistent base powder needed for our stacked chips. In the main mixing vat, the fine golden potato powder is combined with precise amounts of filtered water, wheat flour, and a base salt seasoning. Massive stainless steel mixing arms slowly blend these ingredients. As the blades turn, the dry powder absorbs the liquid and transforms into a thick, smooth, pale yellow dough. This dense dough is then rolled out onto a heavy-duty conveyor belt, ready to be shaped. The consistency of this dough is crucial for the final texture. The thick potato dough now enters a massive industrial sheeting machine. Heavy steel rollers repeatedly compress the dough, thinning it out step by step. A continuous ribbon of dough is formed, perfectly smooth and flat. Lasers constantly measure its exact thickness to ensure total uniformity. It is satisfying to watch the thick mass transform into such an ultra-thin, continuous sheet moving rapidly along the line.
Captured in stunning 4K, the ultra-thin potato dough glides effortlessly across the polished metal bridge, maintaining a flawless texture.
A rotary cutter slices the thin dough sheet into perfect identical oval shapes. These flat ovals drop precisely into heavy stainless steel parabolic molds. A top mold locks them into that familiar curved saddle shape. The entire chain of molds is then submerged into a massive continuous deep fryer filled with hot bubbling cooking oil. The high heat cooks the dough rapidly, transforming the soft shapes into crispy golden brown chips. Emerging from the hot oil, the crispy chips vibrate vigorously on a wire mesh belt to shake off excess oil. Powerful overhead fans blow cool air down, rapidly lowering their temperature. Once cooled, the chips enter a slowly rotating cylindrical drum. Inside, a fine mist of flavor binder and a shower of yellow seasoning powder completely coat every single chip. The smell in this part of the factory must be incredible. The seasoned chips are shaken into parallel V-shaped channels, aligning them perfectly. A twisted guide rail flips them upright. They slide tightly together, their identical curved shapes locking seamlessly into a dense horizontal column. It is mesmerizing to see how flawlessly they nest together. A mechanical separator blade then divides the continuous stack into precise individual portions, ready for the final step. Tall, matte navy blue tubes move rapidly along the conveyor. A robotic pusher slides the perfect columns of chips neatly down into the empty tubes. The cans are flushed with nitrogen to displace oxygen and keep the chips fresh. A heat press seals an aluminum foil barrier over the rim, and a clear plastic lid is snapped on. A laser etches the production date on the bottom, completing the packaging process. The sealed cans are grouped into dozens and packed into sturdy cardboard boxes. Automated arms tape the boxes shut and spray on tracking barcodes. Massive robotic arms palletize the boxes, which are then wrapped tightly in clear stretch film. Automated guided vehicles transport the heavy pallets into a sprawling vertical storage warehouse, ready to be loaded onto trucks and shipped to stores everywhere. And that is how millions of raw potatoes are transformed into perfectly stacked chips. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you enjoyed this factory tour, please type 1 in the comments, and if not, type 0 or let me know your thoughts. What manufacturing process would you like to see next? Don't forget to share this video with your friends, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more satisfying how it is made videos. See you next time!
Elevate your snacking experience with the new Nova Crisp Stacks.